many of our plants are rare, and you'd have to go well into Mexico to be able to see them, or into other rugged places. But what we chose to do was put these plants in a landscape setting and mix them. Because what we were trying to do is convince people all the things that people think of with a traditional garden can be met with native plants. We preach things like water harvesting. All of our walkways, for example, in the garden back here in the back, slope into the beds. None of that water runs off. If you'll look, that bed goes down in terraces and with rocks which hold the water and store it. That's passive water harvesting.
Well, the water harvesting again is passive, so the little bit of rain that we do get here, this garden seems to be in a dry spot of the mountain, and we don't get very much rain here, but when we do, when it comes off the building, all of it goes into the beds that make up the gardens here.
If you plant native plants that are drought tolerant, if you use passive water harvesting with berms and swales in your garden to capture and allow water to percolate, if you use rock mulches, you are saving irrigation water that you're paying for. If everybody would do this, instead of just taking out all their grass, and we've lost over 2 million square feet of grass in the last 10 years, that heats up the whole town. The sunlight reflects off of rock, it reflects off of asphalt, it reflects off concrete, off of roofs, and heats the atmosphere and makes it much hotter here than it needs to be. By planting things that are adapted to the desert and having a green environment in the desert, you're helping to cool the overall temperature of El Paso. That saves the whole city money.